Hello everyone. This is Aysel Farhan from Kuwait University, and this is my final project for parametric modeling in architecture. And the building is the Malaysian Academy of Science Studies. Starting with some information about the building, it is located in Malacca, Malaysia, and the architects are Studio 505 and architect KHB, and the year of opening was 2016. Well, the concept and the form of the academy is inspired by the Tolo clusters in southern China, and it creates an inclusive village atmosphere while promoting circulation for people, energy, and ideas, alongside with ventilation and light that flows through the building. Well, you can see in this diagram how the form is generated through the radius that connects the circles with each other, that is shown in magenta, and the three tangents from each circle, the outer circles, that is shown in red. And this is the final result. And now I'm going to show you the parametric changes that you can do. First, I will show you how the placement of the circles is parametric and you can change their placement individually. Also, you can change the radius of all the circles, including the middle one. And also, we can manipulate the shape of the roof by extending this line. Moreover, you can change the curvature of the roof by going totally flat, or you can increase the curve. Also, you can change the distance of these overhangs by extending the offset, or also it can go away. Also, these outer walls with these window panels and these columns are connected all together with this slider, and you can change them together. And by using kangaroo, you can have a torus shape or a donut-like shape. First, to make the circles, we start with a radial curve, and then we establish points on them using points on curve, and then we generate a circle in each point to generate all of these circles. And then we take all the centers of the circles and connect them together to the closest part of the curve, and then we do the same thing with the center. And then we connect the different curves with the adjacent curve to make this shape, and we take the midpoint within the outer curve to make the shape that makes the roof. And then we take all the points from the center of the curve and we take the middle points between them and we connect them with the polyline, and then we trim the edges to get the shape that makes the roof. And then we take the result with the middle circle and we make a surface. And then we take all the points that intersect in this shape and we merge them together in here, and we split the surface to make all of these arches and these lines. After that, we take all of these lines and we use the catenary curve to make the curvature of the roof. And then we explode the shape and the middle circle to make these points, and we loft between them. And we take the same shape with the arches in lower position and we loft between them to have this final shape. After we have our roof, we start to make our lower volumes. We start with offsetting these curves and we move some to make the roof of the circles. And then we extrude the circles and use quad panels and weaver bird mesh thicken to make the window panels. And finally, to make the columns, we divide the circles and we use the same slider as the outer walls for them to have the same length. And now we finally conclude with the animation video.